everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make dumpling 2 different ways. Jamaicans love their flour dumpling. It's just what we love. So I'm going to show you 2 different ways. I'm just going to show you straight flour with salt, and then I'm going to show you flour and cornmeal mixed together. Some people like it just this way, and some people like it this way. So it's very, very basic and easy to do. The only trouble that you might have is the amount of water that you add while you are mixing the flour before you knead it. These dumplings that I'm going to show you, we have 2 ways of serving it or eating it, whichever way you want to put it. One as a side and one in your soups. So today I'm doing it as a side with whatever meat you might prepare. It will be one of the sides. Usually I have 2 sides. Okay? Now, like I mentioned before, you have to be careful with the water. You add it a little at a time. I'm going to try and make sure I have the right amount that you need to mix into. This is 1 cup of flour. So I'll put it in this bowl, because normally I don't measure.
It's the Jamaican way.
Yes, half a teaspoon of salt or less. Some people start mixing it with a spoon and then go in with their hands, but I'm going to go straight with my hands. So that's the salt and the flour mixed together. So I'm going to make sure I have 1 cup of water here. I'm going to use from this cup. Probably take half a cup, I'm not sure yet. Use your clean hands. So I'm combining it slowly to make a dough more or less. But we don't want a sticky dough.
So you just keep on adding a little bit at a time, and I can see it's coming together.
Yeah. Better if the water is very cold. Here is my ball of well-kneaded dough. You have to knead it until it's smooth and soft. And if it's not quite smooth and soft, you leave it to stand in the bowl for the gluten and all the other rest of the things come together. And you give it a slight knead again before you cook it. So that is the one with just flour. So now I'm going to do the dumpling with the flour and cornmeal mixture. So you can see I've got the cornmeal and the flour. Now I'm going to add the salt. Just a little less than half a teaspoon. Blend it. I'm going to start with 2 ounces of water. Cold water. I'm good at measuring. That's 2 ounces.
So this makes obviously a dumpling with a texture to it.
Yeah.
Because of the cornmeal.
Yeah. A little more water. I did 1 tablespoon to get this nice soft dough. So it's 4 ounces plus 1 tablespoon. And if you're going to add, if you find that you need more water, just add it by tablespoon.
So is your dough ready, Mom?
Yes, it is.
What's next?
I'm going to make dumplings. So this has been sitting for about 5 minutes or so. And then I'm going to form the dumplings now. So I put it in a, whatever you want to call this. so that I can more or less get the same size dumpling. A cup of flour is giving me, and water is giving me 6 dumplings, which I'm going to shape into dumplings. Some people roll it in a ball first. I do it this way. Flat and then pinch and then roll. Whichever way, doesn't matter. This is my way. I just flatten it a little bit and pinch it together. And then roll it in my palm. And I press the middle in. And I keep shaping until I get a smooth, a nice looking dumpling. Pull the edges in.
It's an art, Mom.
It is. I wish I could make them as good as my mom used to make them. But they taste the same, they might not look the same. Oh my goodness.
Those are very pretty.
I'm gonna roll this one and see what happens. This is where most people do it. So now we're gonna cook the dumplings. How beautifully displayed on this plate. We're gonna have boiling water, which salt has been added to, and we just drop them in one by one. And if you want to know when they're cooked, you'll see them float into the top.
That's pretty easy.
Because sometimes they boil over. Here we are, boiled dumplings, Jamaican style. Now you can serve it with your ackee and saltfish, your mackerel, your cook-up saltfish, your curry goat, your curry chicken, any of those stew type stuff. You can serve it, dumpling with it. So, here we are with my mackerel, banana, dumpling and fried plantain. Typical Jamaican dish. Either for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Take your pick. So this is for cooklikeajamaican.com. Hello! Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, just press the button below and subscribe and you'll get more of our delicious recipes. So do that and you'll be happy like I'm happy at the moment cooking for you all. Bye for now.